This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, March 29th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at 1 p.m. this afternoon, you can see a trough with some energy moving across the Ohio Valley and the Great Lakes. Storm system just to the east of that is going to be lifting away from the area. That'll be taking a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity into the mid-Atlantic, the southeast. A little bit of heavier precipitation in the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys. Around here, highs will be in the 40s north and east to near 60s south and west. But it's Sunday that's going to be the big factor. Strong winds out of the southwest, possibly gusting to 30, maybe 40 miles per hour. Highs will be in the 60s to lower 70s, plenty of sunshine. But another storm system moves here on Monday. And this could bring us some more showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two. Cold air wrapping around could bring some wet snow across the Dakotas into Minnesota. That could just squeeze into the northern counties here late Monday night to early Tuesday. It shouldn't amount to a whole lot, as the heaviest of the precipitation will stay north of the state, at least in the snow variety. Tuesday will be in between systems. Then Wednesday, the next one comes in. This could bring us some rain, maybe a thunderstorm. The better chances of seeing any thunderstorms in widespread form will be to our south. A little bit of snow or rain-snow mix to our north. Then that system drops southward. You can see a low-pressure center in around Lake Texoma. You can see some showers and thunderstorms from there eastward into about Memphis and up to about Lexington, Kentucky. Then that system lifts north and east. We could get scraped by it, the southeastern half here on Friday, with maybe a cold rain, maybe a little bit of wintry mix, more like rain than anything else. Then that system is off to the east next Saturday over the north and east. Pretty much a zonal flow at this point, so with the flow coming mainly out of the west, that's going to keep temperatures fairly uniform. Highs will likely be around the 40s and 50s for temperatures next weekend. Storm to our east, another one into our west. So it'll be fairly tranquil. Going into the extended period, though, unfortunately, it doesn't stay zonal long. You can see amplified pattern once again, a trough over the east, a ridge up into western Canada. And that means cold air up in the Arctic is going to come sliding southward again. Luckily, it's by this point the middle of April, because if this was middle of January, we'd be talking about temperatures below zero. In this case, we're talking temperatures likely in the 40s to lower 50s for highs. And then at the end of the forecast on April 13th, a flow, kind of an omega block pattern, a system over the Four Corners, a system over the Carolinas, eastern Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia. And that's going to bring a system down in the south and east, another one in the plains, a high pressure in the Great Lakes nosing in from the north and east. So somewhat of a active, somewhat cold pattern. Satellite image from last evening, you can see some showers and thunderstorms across the lower Mississippi River Valley around the Delta, another batch of clouds along the Atlantic coast, and another moving into the northwest and northern Rockies. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some flood watches from Pennsylvania north and eastward, some winter storm watches in northern New England, flood watches along the Gulf Coast, a tornado watch in Mississippi and Louisiana, and some winter weather issues in the northern Rockies. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Precipitation around here may be upwards of 3/4 of an inch. Heaviest precipitation will be in New England and the California coast and the northern Rockies.